In this video, I'll show you how to build this nice little planter box with a built-in tomato cage. Made entirely out of cedar fence pickets, and build plans are available. The link is going to be in the video description. We're going to start by cutting the pieces we need. We're going to need 12 pieces at 20 inches long by 5.5 inches wide. We will also need 4 pieces at 3 inches wide by 17.5 inches long, and 4 pieces at 2.5 inches wide by 17.5 inches long. These 8 pieces will be for the legs. The pieces for the floor are going to be 19 inches long. There's going to be 3 of those. They're 5.5 inches wide, and then a 3-inch piece, so that'll fit in there with it. For the leg assembly, we're going to add glue to the edge of the 2.5-inch wide piece, and we're going to use 1-inch brad nails and attach it right to the 3-inch piece. So with those 8 leg pieces, we're going to make 4 legs that are in the shape of an L. And everything's held together by Titebond 3 and 1-inch brad nails. Once we have all 4 leg assemblies completed, we can start with the sides. We're going to add our first 28-inch panel. Make sure it's flush with the top. Tack it in with some nails and glue. It's going to be 3 pieces on each side here. And once we have one side done, we're going to do it again to make the second side. The exact same process. Make sure it's flush with the top. And then when you have that, by the time you put that third board in, you're going to have a little bit of overhang at the bottom for the legs. Should be about 1 inch. And now for the final pieces, I do this in the same manner with the Titebond 3 and the 1-inch brad nails, right to the sides there. This is, they can get a little wobbly. But once we get these 3 pieces on, we can attach to the other side that we made to enclose the box. This will help secure everything. This is another one of those builds where you can opt to use 1-inch duck screws if you'd like. I go back and forth between the two. I like using the nails, sometimes a little bit faster. Some people think the screws hold up better. I think as long as you're using the glue, the exterior wood glue, either or is going to work fine. If you have some pickets that are kind of warped a little bit, sometimes those screws will hold them down a little bit flatter. But other than that, I think it's pretty close to the same. For the floor trim, these are just 1-inch pieces that I cut to fit inside the box. There's going to be 1 on each side, and this is what the floor is going to rest on. Once these pieces are installed, we can drop the floor in. There's going to be 3 of these at 5.5 inches wide, and then 1 piece at 3 inches wide. I'll just add glue to that trim and tack it in with some brad nails. Next, we're going to cut the part for the cage. We're going to have 4 pieces at 60 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. These are going to be the supports in each corner. Then the cage itself, each piece is going to be 1/2 inch wide. I'm just ripping these parts right now with the table saw, and we'll cut them down with the miter saw to the correct size. And the 1.5 inch pieces here that are 16 inches long, there's going to be 1 in each corner. I'm just holding those in with the Titebond 3 and 1-inch deck screws. They're going to be flush to the bottom of the floor, and 1 in each corner. And once those are in place, I'm going to start by measuring 9 inches up on each one on the front of the box. And this is going to be where our first cage slat's going to go. I believe these are 22 inches long. They're going to have about a 1/2 inch overhang on each side, ideally. We'll continue to go 9 inches up on each one. Just using 1 little brad nail to hold these in place. And then, 9 inches apart all the way to the top. And they're going to sit below the 9-inch mark. So you put your line at 9 inches, and that's going to sit below it on the line. Once both sides are done, we can add our other side of the slats here. These are going to rest on that overhang, that 1/2 inch overhang from the front slats. I'm just using glue and Titebond 3 to hold these all in. And that's really all there is to it. And just like that, we have our nice little planter box with the little cage on it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.